Hi all, Nell Solomam. She made me feel good, and that's why I feel. Feeling good is not love men. Learn this so late. Why men fall for women who never planned to stay? She comforted him, but he was replaceable. You made me feel good, and that's not nothing. But here's the part men don't like hearing. I knew you would, because making men feel good is something many women learn early, not because they are evil, but because survival teaches efficiency. Feeling good means being chosen. Chemistry is commitment. Affection is intention. Why feeling good is dangerous for men? Men mistake emotional relief for emotional loyalty. Feeling good after loneliness creates false bonding. Men don't ask why they feel good, only that they do. Example, you didn't fall in love with me. You fell in love with how you felt when you weren't alone anymore. What men confuse for love? Soft voice is a soft heart. Attention is attachment. Warm presence means long-term plan. I didn't lie to you. I just didn't promise what you imagined. A solo mom's truth. Single mothers learn emotional celebration. Comfort is a skill. Men underestimate how practiced women become at emotional reassurance. When you've raised a child alone, you learn how to calm fear, how to soften stress, how to make someone feel safe even when you're not staying. Why men ignore the signs? Men avoid asking hard questions, fear of losing the feeling. Silence becomes consent in their minds. You didn't ask where this was going because deep down, you knew the answer might hurt. Men romanticize emotional warmth. Men project future fantasies. Men mistake peace for permanence. You were not in love with me. You were in love with the version of your life that finally felt quiet. Feeling good is not a contract. Affection is not insurance. Men must evaluate patterns, not moments. If feeling good is the only proof you don't have proof. You have chemistry. You don't need a woman who makes you feel good. You need one who shows up when it's not easy, who stays consistent when the excitement fades, who doesn't disappear when comfort becomes responsibility. Yes, I made you feel good, but I knew I would. The question is, did she ever show you she would stay? See you next episode. I'm Nell Solomon.